Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele. Space Industrial Revolution, driver of a new quintillion-dollar industry and opener of most profound chapter in human history. The focus points of my presentation are as follows: human space exploration, the orbital age, space industrial revolution, and role of space commercialization. Space Industrial Revolution, a revolution creating immense inflection point in human civilization, is propelling unprecedented innovation in human history and catapulting space commercialization for the benefit of humankind. The revolution, which gives birth to orbital age, is leading to significant and astronomical growth of the world economy. The orbital age, the space-based industrial revolution age, and the driver of a new quintillion-dollar industry and world economy, is paving way for humans to break space exploration boundaries, space tourism, and aiding advancement of human understanding of the universe. The orbital age is being driven by the disruptive technologies and exponential rise in innovations being championed by the new space industries. In the 28th century, space was mainly government-backed and exclusive. But in this 21st century, space industrial revolution is helping the transition to a private sector-driven space endeavors, leading to the creation and evolution of space-based industries. Space revolution is creating endless opportunities for the government, private companies, and interested space enthusiasts. This is leading to an increase in participants of the space exploration market. Also, the advancement of spacefaring technologies is creating hospitality in inhospitable space environments. Presently, various space companies such as Sierra Space, SpaceX, Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, Northrop Grumman, Boeing, and a host of others are partakers in the evolution of space industrial revolution and are shaping the future of commercialization of space. Human space exploration. On October 4, 1957, the first human-made Earth satellite Sputnik 1 was launched into outer space, and this opened the way for space exploration. The historic event of the first human space flight, which occurred on April 12, 1961, and carried out by Yuri Gagarin, opened the way for space exploration for the benefit of all humanity. The picture here shows artist's impression of two O'Neill cylinders anchored together between the Moon and the Earth. Since the first events of the first man-made satellite and human spaceflight, humans have been aspiring to explore this space further and to commercialize space activities, work, and live in space. Presently, Earth is the only planet known to sustain life, but our ability to adapt could eventually allow us to inhabit other planets and moons. Illustration of orbital city is shown in this picture. There are various everyday benefits of space exploration to the humanity, and some of them are improvement of healthcare system, protection of Earth and its environment and safety enhancement, creation of scientific and technical jobs, improvement of our day-to-day lives, scientific discoveries, and cooperation with countries around the world. Artist rendition of Starship exploring Saturn is shown in this picture. Humans are embarking on developing technologies that will one day take humans across space in order to create more wealth and save the Earth. Statistics show that as of May 2022, about 44 countries have traveled in space. 622 people have reached Earth orbit. 628 have reached the altitude of space, according to the FAI definition of the boundary of space. Illustration of Ulysses designed for polar orbit around the Sun, which used gravitational pull from Jupiter and whose gravity-assisted maneuver took place on 8 February 1992 is shown in this picture. The orbital age. The orbital age commences with a transition from 60 years of human space exploration to human space commercialization. Over the 60 years period, various human space exploration have been embarked upon, such as Project Mercury, Gemini program, Apollo program, and a host of others. Artist's illustration of mining activity on the moon is shown in this picture. Civilization pivot. The orbital age is a civilization pivot from flying astronauts chosen by a government agency to a government-run space station to enabling hundreds of private citizens to travel to space aboard a fleet of spaceplanes to a constellation of space destinations in low Earth orbit. Future plans are underway for people to live and work in microgravity on a permanent or semi-permanent basis. Artist's rendition of Starship exploring Saturn is shown in this picture. The orbital age is facilitating traveling to low Earth orbit, Moon, Mars and beyond, and this is providing immense benefit to the Earth. It is believed that manufacturing companies will find the next moldable, shapeable material to replace plastics and the accompanying pollution. In this orbital age, emerging computing advances will greatly improve terrestrial life. If tomorrow's data processing centers in Leo could thrive in the deep coast of space, there will be no need for electricity for cooling. Artist's impression of two Oni cylinders anchored together is shown in this picture. The orbital age is the next industrial revolution driven by the underlying technologies that are commercialized in space. The new orbital age, acclaimed to be the most profound industrial revolution in human history, is the driver of a quintillion-dollar industry. The picture here shows football-like think platform, a spherical space station that could unlock orbital cities. Space Industrial Revolution. The space industrial revolution happening presently is leading to the turning point in human civilization. The industrialization is pivoting humans from 60 years of space exploration to a new era of unprecedented economic activity, manufacturing, and growth in space. The picture here shows artist's rendition of a crude floating outpost on Venus. Presently, the new space race is sparking a new industrial revolution. There are dozens of private startups looking to blast us into the space revolution, starting with the most obvious and the biggest ones like the Blue Origin and SpaceX. The space revolution is promising and it is envisaged to create trillions of dollars of new markets. A prototype of orbital city is shown in this picture. Role of space commercialization. Space commercialization covers a breadth of space-related technologies, capabilities, and services, both space-based as well as ground-based, that are generally exploited to generate revenue by governments and aerospace companies. Various research activities and investments are being challenged towards the stimulation of the development of commercial space market. Illustration of an orbital space settlement is shown in this picture. Commercial use of space is the provision of goods or services of commercial value by using equipment sent into Earth orbit or outer space. In the next few decades, commercial ventures in space will provide improved unique space-derived products. The long-run effect of the space commercialization will lead to the large-scale space colonization. Illustration of NASA's Mars missions is shown in this picture. Benefits of space commercialization are provision of endless opportunities, availability of abundant natural resources, provision of hospitality in an hostile environment, enablement of innovations, provision of fast-moving industry, and propellant of space industrial revolution. Concept art of the planned lunar gateway of the Artemis program is shown in this picture. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and others are working on making space traveling and commercialization feasible. This is helping the evolution of space industrial revolution. Once space mineral exploration becomes a reality, more companies will erupt, leading to space industrial revolution that yields high economic value. Illustration of orbital city is shown in this picture. The advancement of spacefaring technologies is creating more opportunities for the space industrial revolution, with private sectors competing to create commercial space travel options for consumers. The not-so-distant future offers opportunities mankind has only dreamt of. The picture here shows artist rendition of Starship exploring Saturn. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been hearing and listening to Space Industrial Revolution, driver of a new quintillion-dollar industry and opener of most profound chapter in human history, presented by Dr. Anyashola Ogundele, with the focus points human space exploration, the orbital age, space industrial revolution, and role of space commercialization. Thank you.